California.
So what's up?
Yeah! We just caught our first fish. Show them what it is. Stay tuned. We're gonna catch some more.
Caleb, you caught something, dude.
Would anything eat this?
You got it. You got a fish, dude. Come here, Jackson.
Oh, the bait's still alive. Nice. Hey, bro.
Okay, just pick it up. Jackson. Okay, look. There you go, dude. You caught. Is this your first fish? Your first fish ever? Dude! You gotta kiss it. You gotta kiss it. It's your first one, dude. You gotta kiss it. Kiss the fish, dude. Yeah!
Got it.
Yeah, I'm gonna use a big one.
Oh, that's a black crappie. Oh, that's a nice sized one.
Two people have already got fishes except me.
Just caught a black crappie. Pretty nice size. 10, maybe 12. Nice fish.
Oh, this is a good one. Oh shoot! Oh shoot!
Here,
oh,
hold on.
shoot. What the heck is this?
Oh my gosh, this is a monster.
That's a crappie?
Wait, no, that's a bass.
Oh, that's a...
That's a big monster, guys. That's a big old bass.
Guys, this is a 3 a.m. challenge.
That's a grouper, kinda.
A group? I'm not sure that's a group.
Yeah, but oh, that's a bass.
That's a big old bass.
Big old bass.
Woo! Oh man, big man. Look at those things inside.
I just caught a largemouth bass. Look at that. Easily 4.
Yeah, this is ginormous.
Maybe even 5. I don't know. That's 3. Man, look at that. Angelo, if you're watching, I just beat you. I just beat you.
Okay, one more. If you open all of them, I want to see if
That's at least 10. No. That's at least 15. At least. Look at that sucker. Woo! Man, right under that tree, I've already caught 2 fish.
Stop bragging.
I'm pumped to catch another. It was a good day of fishing, my friends. Did we have fun?
Yeah. He made me kiss a fish.
What? You gotta do it at some point. I mean, come on. Don't hide in your shelter.